It started with a scream. "Why are y'all bothering him?" No weapon, no threat. Just a man in handcuffs, surrounded, pinned, humiliated. Children watched, mothers cried out, phones came out. The truth began recording itself. But the officers didn't de-escalate. They pushed a woman, they screamed, they crossed every line. And when the crowd asked why, they got silence and handcuffs.
Why are y'all bothering them? Why are y'all bothering them? Why are y'all bothering them? He already handcuffed. Leave him alone. His hand is already cuffed. Leave him alone. Y'all get it recorded too. I'm recording them. I'm recording them. No, don't take off your clothes. Kids is outside. Kids is outside. No. No. Oh, get him. Get Papa. Get Papa. Get Papa. No. Why are the two? You're recorded. You're getting recorded. Why would you come over here harassing people? What, screaming at people? What, push her? She a woman. You don't push her. You don't push no woman. Why are y'all pushing on people and harassing them?
Come on, let's go. Keep it. You keep on.
That's crazy.
They didn't do nothing.
Step the fuck back.
I'm right here.
What's your name? You just told me not to get your space. Don't get my space.
Why did you come over here and harass them when they're in their own space?
Y'all do it again if you don't step the fuck back.
That's not how you talk to women.
Step back. You can step back too.
Don't put your hands on me.
Step back.
I'm definitely making a report on you. I'm making a report on you. You're disrespectful. Don't scream at me and yell in my face.
Step back.
Now, I'm right here. You the one came here harassing people. Stop doing that now. No. Y'all out of order for that. Y'all out of order for that, bro. Y'all out of order. Y'all out of order. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. He's not doing nothing to y'all. Why would y'all do that to him? Y'all wrong.
Get him.
You wrong for that. You wrong for that. He didn't do nothing. He didn't do nothing. Y'all came over here. He's not doing nothing. Leave him alone.
Okay.
Leave him alone. He's not reaching anything. Y'all all came over here harassing them. That's wrong.
Bro, I promise you.
He didn't do anything.
They full of shit.
They came over here, jumped out, and then started kicking.
I can't get you.
Ain't no way.
No.
Ain't no way.
Then he pushed. The other man pushed her. He pushed her and then screamed in my face.
Yelling at me, I have no idea what's going on.
She was walking her dog.
I'm gonna tell y'all.
Y'all wrong for
This
taking
is
them.
not gonna be the last time y'all hear this. Y'all ain't got enough lawsuits out here yet. This is gonna be the next one. This is gonna be the next one.
Why don't you guys
This is
film
gonna be the
the
next one. No, I want you. I want you. I want you. I want you. You took mad about him. Look what the fuck you just did in front of these kids.
Right.
For
And
what?
then,
For what? For what?
no, he did not step up. So he had that dog in his hand. He had that dog in his hand.
He literally had
You wanted to arrest him and harass him. And then he screamed at me and pushed me.
Somebody got a gun pointed at
y'all.
That man right there got a problem. And I want his badge.
Nobody got pushed.
guys. Give him some room.
Get your teeth. They're not to hurt
This
him.
is where they stay at. Come on, give him room. This is right. This is right. This is the main street.
Let them know.
How you feel friend? How? Bro, he home intoxicated. He home intoxicated.
He's right there.
So it's
Why
right.
are you all doing it?
We got two other
Milwaukee police.
Listen,
Milwaukee police.
Listen,
Put it live. Is it live? Put it on live, nigga.
He was already cuffed, already down. But that wasn't enough. They pushed a woman. They ignored the children. They answered peaceful words with brute force. And when people stood up and asked for names, for reason, for respect, they got threats instead. This wasn't about law. It was about power. And when power feels questioned, it doesn't de-escalate. It explodes. Let the world see. Let it decide. Here's another case. He parked to rest. No threat, no crime. Just a man with nowhere to go. Then, blinding lights, demands, authority. "Give me your ID," they say. He offers his name. They say that's not enough. He offers an exchange. They say this isn't a negotiation. Suddenly he's being yanked from the car, detained, pressed, cuffed, not for breaking the law, but for questioning it.
You can't be parked in any closed businesses, but do you have an ID on you?
For what? What's the...
Because I'm out with you and...
I'm gonna get my shoes.
Sure. Just need an ID from you.
Well, yeah, who are you? 'Cause you're not
I just told you I'm a police officer.
No, I didn't get your name though.
Oh, Officer Aid.
You didn't say you're private security. And you said aid like as in right aid?
AIDE, yeah.
Okay. I'm new here. I didn't know the area.
Sure. And you just got an ID with you, sir?
Yeah, I said my last name.
Yeah, I'd like to see your ID.
You said your aid? Oh, well, I mean, I could exchange IDs with you. You want to exchange? You want to give me your...
No, I just want your ID, sir.
Yeah, I told you my name.
That's not an ID.
Well, I'll exchange IDs with you then.
I'm not exchanging an ID with you. I want your ID.
Well, what are you want to arrest me for?
I didn't say I was going to arrest you. The store doesn't want people being here outside of business hours, which is why I was just talking to the other sets of cars that were here.
Okay.
So now I'm talking to you because you're also here.
Yeah,
so
I'm willing to go. I want to leave. I mean,
I want your ID first. Sir, I want your ID first.
Sure, I'll exchange IDs.
I'm not exchanging ID with you. Just give me your ID.
Well, I want to know who you are. Right?
I just told you who I am.
Yeah,
I'm in a
AIT.
I'm in a marked police car in full uniform.
I can't see the markings.
Well,
it's all the lights.
Yeah.
Coming at me. So
right. So, can I get your ID?
Well, let's exchange IDs. What's
I'm not doing this with you.
Well, what's the criminal charge that you want to give me? It sounds like you want to give me a criminal charge. I mean, I told you my name.
What I want to do is just identify you because you're in here after hours.
Yeah, and I'm willing to leave.
It's a little suspicious.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm new to the area. I pulled in here, and I don't know I'd like to help alleviate your concerns about...
Well, that's what I'm trying to do. If you give me your ID...
My ID is going to explain that to you?
Yeah, because that's going to tell me if you got any warrants.
Well, that doesn't tell you about why I'm here.
Just give me your ID.
Well, what's the criminal charge? Is there a crime that is being...
Just give me your ID.
Are we playing this game, sir?
What game?
The game of you sitting in a closed business when you have no business being here.
Yeah, and I'm willing to go. You guys are warning me that I need to...
You need to provide him your ID.
Yeah, and I'm willing to exchange IDs.
Okay, then give it to him.
Okay, let's see your ID and your tail.
You do not need to be provided our driver's licenses for us to request yours.
Well, I told you my name.
No,
and we need to
and aid.
Sir, you either provide us your ID or you're getting pulled out of this car, detained in hand. All right.
I'm willing to get out.
Step out, hands behind your back. You're not being charged with anything right now. You're being detained until you can be identified.
I got a phone in my hand here, so.
And that's fine.
Okay. All right. And then this is the crime of being parked here.
Crime of trespassing after hours on private property.
Okay.
Right now you're not being charged with anything. You're being detained.
Okay. Was there a complaint?
We don't need one.
Do you have a contract with the business?
Okay.
No, I'm trying to learn. I don't know how you guys operate.
No warrant, no contract, no complaint. Yet the man was thrown into handcuffs for the crime of sitting still, for not handing over his papers fast enough. What began as a calm conversation ended with the words, "You'll sit until you cooperate." This isn't about trespassing, it's about control. And when silence becomes suspicion, your rights become optional.